hometown, by the way. So I came to the terrace of my hometown house, guys. And since it's raining, there are many blocks in this hole where I'm pointing with this stick, guys. So I'm gonna clear this out, because if we don't clear this out, then it's basically that it blocks and the water comes down the stairs there, and then it enters our houses. Yeah, and then when it enters our houses, it becomes a big trouble, And I know you don't like the sound of that. So yeah. Yeah, it's clear, guys. Yeah. I made it clean. It's clear. There are some stones, but yeah, it's mind of even if we don't clean them.
You can actually hear the sound of water going.
Yeah, going. Yeah.
That's a good sign that there's no blockage, right?
Yeah. Yeah, there are coyotes, guys.
Can we call this a torrent?
No.
Okay.
See, I know some of you guys.
One more is there. See.
Some of you don't know what is a torrent.
See, one more is there. See.
So a torrent is a stream of water that moves very fast, guys. So this cannot be called a torrent, but maybe like spinning like a hurricane. Like, there's another blockage, guys.
Oh, like hurricane on too?
Yeah. This has to be
దూరంగా
clear.
పడేయాలి పిట్టు మళ్ళీ దాంట్లోకి వెళ్తుంది దూరం.
Yeah.
See guys, now water is getting cleared off.
Yeah, water is getting cleared off. There is still some dirt that blocks it. So it's much better.
Push it
The
away.
more, the better. We all know. So the more we clean it, the better the water enters it. Yeah, and it's clean. Let's go to another hole.
Find another hole.
Okay.
See, this is
And this one is fully covered, guys. We cannot even see one pinch of steel in this. So yeah.
What? Can you repeat?
Yeah. So this one is fully covered. We cannot even see a thing of that.
Clear it, please.
Yeah.
What is that white thing?
I don't know what we call this, but
Clear it, please.
yeah. Can you hear the sound, guys? I'm sure you won't hear it because
Clear.
yeah, I'm clearing it.
Oh, I think it's coming from that sheets over there. See, that white color sheets.
Yeah, I guess
The
because
rubble
of the
from
harsh rain,
The rubble from that sheet, it's
yeah.
tearing away.
We have to clean it tomorrow.
Okay, got cleared?
No, the more the better. I told you guys. So the more we clean it, the better the water enters it and doesn't make our house, full wet of this.